How to use Temu referral code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use Temu referral code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To use the Temu app's referral code, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Temu application here. Then once you launch the Temu app, you're basically going to see this type of interface as you can clearly see. Then what you need to do after this is just come to this little U button that you can see here. Once you look at this U option that you can see over here, you want to go to the option where it says coupons and offers, and then just make sure to tap on it. And when you go to coupons and offers, this is exactly where you'll have the option to enter any sort of code that you have, whether it be a referral code, a coupon code, or a promo code, or even a gift card code. You want to make sure to enter them here, hit the apply button, and then your coupon code will be successfully redeemed. This way you can use the referral code on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.